Welcome to Mathenatic. We are revising sequences and series for paper 1. In this video, we would like to calculate the following expression. We are given sigma notation with the lower limit of 0 and the upper limit of 5. And the term in our notation is 2 to the power of k plus 1. The first thing that I want you to know is that in sigma notation, we add terms together. So sigma means the sum of in terms of mathematics. And you notice that every term that we are adding together looks like the term in the middle. The only difference is that the exponent changes. We increase it by 1 every single time. And where that comes from is the lower limit here refers to our first substitution for k. And we will substitute all of those values of k with 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 5. And the reason why we stop with 5 is because that is the upper limit of our sigma notation. So when we simplify, we have 2 plus 4 plus 8 all the way to adding 64. And all that we are doing is we are saying 2 to the power of 1 is equals to 2. 2 to the power of 2 is equals to 4, and so forth. And this is a basic video to revise the concept of sigma notation. In the next videos, we'll expand on sigma notation and focus on harder exam questions. Thank you for watching. Support us by liking and subscribing to Mathenatic. Check out our Digistore for math study notes, with free downloads for statistics and financial math. Follow the link in the video description.